You asked about the results of using Tate lamps with a standard ballast designed for T12 lamps, specifically the common 2-lamp 4-foot ballast. While it's physically possible to do this, there are several drawbacks. Let's break it down into electrical performance, light quality, energy consumption, and other considerations. From an electrical performance standpoint, you'll encounter lower efficacy. T12 ballasts are designed for higher wattage lamps, typically 40 watts. Tate lamps, on the other hand, usually consume around 28 watts. Because the ballast provides more power than the Tate lamp needs, you get fewer lumens, or light output, per watt of electricity consumed. This means you're using more energy to get the same amount of light. Another consequence is reduced lamp life. Overpowering the Tate lamps with a T12 ballast can shorten their lifespan due to excessive current flow. A lamp isn't designed to handle the extra power, leading to premature failure. Flickering is also a potential issue. In some instances, Tate lamps may flicker or exhibit unstable operation when used with a T12 ballast. This is because the ballast voltage and current characteristics don't perfectly match the requirements of the Tate lamp. Moving on to light quality, you may notice a color shift. T12 ballasts produce a different color temperature output compared to Tate ballasts. This difference can result in a noticeable change in the color of the light emitted by the Tate lamps, making it appear different than intended. You may also see a reduced color rendering index, or CRI. T12 ballasts typically have a lower CRI compared to Tate ballasts. This means colors under the light will appear less vibrant and accurate. The ability to render colors correctly is lower. Glare can become more pronounced as well. Tate lamps are typically narrower than T12 lamps. If you are using a reflector designed for T12 lamps, the narrower Tate lamp can result in increased glare because the light source isn't properly shielded. Now, let's consider energy consumption. Increased energy usage is a key concern. As mentioned earlier, the lower efficacy of using Tate lamps with a T12 ballast means you're consuming more energy to produce the same amount of light. The increased energy consumption can also lead to the ballast overheating. This overheating can prematurely shorten the ballast's lifespan, leading to further maintenance costs. Finally, let's consider some other things. Using lamps and ballast from different manufacturers with incompatible characteristics may void any warranties on either the lamp or the ballast. It's crucial to check the manufacturer's specifications to ensure compatibility. There are also safety concerns. Overpowering lamps or overheating ballasts can pose potential safety hazards, such as fire or electrical shock. This is due to the abnormal electrical conditions created by the mismatch. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to use Tate lamps with a standard T12 ballast, it's generally not recommended. The potential for reduced performance, lamp life, light quality, and increased energy consumption far outweigh any perceived convenience. For optimal results, it's best to match Tate lamps with compatible Tate ballasts. This will ensure proper operation, energy efficiency, and safety. Using the correct ballast with the lamp is always advised.